Lazy protein bulking pancake mix. Weigh up your box pancake mix. 1/4 cup of coconut shreds. 1/4 cup of oats. Protein powder scoop. Get out of there, you little bitch. Touch of cinnamon. Splash of vanilla. 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. And add at least double the amount of liquid that your box calls for. Your box of pancake mix. Butter in a pan on medium. Toss her in until it's cooked till golden brown. Bam, just like that. Top with fruit and your choice of peanut butter or almond butter. I did almond butter with some scissor